Hello everybody, welcome to the class today. I'm not going to be on this first part of the class because I have a doctor's appointment, so Mr. Urquijo is going to help me on this first part of the class. So I hope that you behave super good with Mr. Urquijo and you follow all the instructions that he is going to give you and that you are super respectful with him. Today we are going to continue learning about illegal animal trafficking. So first we are going to work with this PowerPoint presentation. On the first part of the presentation, we are going to learn why animal trafficking is bad for animals. Then you are going to watch this video, and after that, this is the activity you are going to do on your notebook. You are going to watch the video. What video? This video. And you are going to write in your notebook 5 animals affected by illegal trade or illegal animal trafficking. The activity, you have to do it like this on your notebook. This is the date, write the date on your notebook, write this title, and here you write 5 animals that you spot, that you see on the video. Okay? After that, we are going to continue working on the PowerPoint presentation, and we are going to classify these animals into 2 categories: domestic animals and wild animals. How come? For example, a bat. A bat is a domestic animal. Can you have a bat in your house or in a farm as a pet? No, really? So a bat is a wild animal. What about a dog? A dog can live with you in your house. Can you find a dog in a farm? So a dog is a domestic animal. So here you're going to write the name. And hopefully when you finish this activity, I'm going to be back on the class. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Urquijo.